Okay, this is a quick video that will show you how to make 4th of July Independence Day bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. This is what the initial screen of the program looks like. I click Create New Bingo Card Project to start work. I can select bingo card and fill out my own items. I can choose things like alphabets or numbers to fill out bingo cards, and I can choose different subjects like English, math, for education, or events like baby showers, birthdays and so on. If I look under holidays, I will find 4th of July, as well as Canada Day, Chinese New Year, Christmas and so on. So I highlight the 4th of July. It starts off, it's the first item, so it's already highlighted, and I either double click on it or I click allow it to be highlighted and click OK. I've now created a bingo card. These are the items that are used. They're all words and phrases related to the American Revolution or the 4th of July. I can also add my own item, so for example I could add United States of America as an additional item. It appears on the bottom of the list. I can resort the list into my preferred order, for example alphabetical order. There's United States of America now, above Yorktown. I can delete items if I don't want them, so for example if I don't want Benedict Arnold to appear, I can highlight and delete him. I can change the bingo card size, so I can make a 4x4 card for example, or I can make a larger bingo card. I probably haven't got quite enough items to fill out a 6x6 card, so I'll go back to 5x5. I can choose whether or not to have a heading on the bingo card. I can choose what the heading says, so for example I could make it say July 4. I can choose whether or not to have a special free space square in the middle of the card. And if I do have it, I can choose what it might say. I can change the word if I want to. I can also change the colours and formatting. I can change the fonts, so let's change the colours, make it maybe look a bit like an American flag, so I'll choose to have red and white vertical stripes. Background will be red. And I can change the heading colour to be blue with white text, so that will look a little bit like an American flag colours. If I had more time I could obviously maybe make something even more realistic. I'm now ready to print, and obviously my real bingo card will contain the same items but in a random order, randomly shuffled, every bingo card different. So anyway, the first option I have for printing here is called print call list. That's basically a list of these items in a random order. It means if I'm acting as bingo caller, I don't have to pull items out of the hat. I can just read items from that call list. Not everybody uses that, but for some people it's a great time saver. I'll leave it turned on. Second item is how many bingo cards to print per page. So if I want to save paper, I can print multiple bingo cards on a page. Obviously they will be smaller, and if I'm giving one bingo card to each player, I'd have to cut the paper up. But it's something some people want to do, especially if you're printing a lot of bingo cards. So I'll leave that on 1 for now. And how many different bingo cards do I want to print? At the moment it's set to 8. I can put that to 80, 800, 8,000, or up to 9,999. So let's put that for, say, 50, which might be enough for quite a large party. Now ready to print. So I would normally do print, but I'll do print preview so you can see on screen what the bingo cards would look like. Okay, the first page here is the call list, all the items in random order. And if I do, I'll zoom out a bit so that you can see the whole bingo card on the next page. The first bingo card, all the words are shuffled randomly, and if I do the next page, you'll see it's got a different set of words selected, and the next page is different, and so on. Every bingo card is different, so I'll produce a large number of bingo cards very, very quickly. And that's basically it. The video that I've shown you is all done using Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. There's a free trial version of the program, which has some limitations, but you can download and try it out for free, see if you like the program. If you go to the website, it works on all versions of Windows. And if you like the program, you can upgrade to the registered version, which allows you to do everything you've seen in this video and quite a lot more besides. So go to bingocardprinter.com and try out the program. I think you will like it. Thank you very much.